Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to create margins of a PDF. Now first of all select your PDF file, right click on it and select open with, and make sure to select this application called Adobe Acrobat. And once you open this with Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Acrobat, you will be seeing this kind of pop-up. And from here what you can do is just go to this section and search organize pages. Go to this section, organize pages, and from here you can just select the page that you want to set the margins or set the corners of. Just select the page, and from here just click on more and set page boxes. And once you click here, you can see the margin. So make sure that your units are in inches instead of millimeters. If they are in millimeters, make sure to choose inches. After that, you can just apply the margin control from this section, or you can just go to change page size, just select custom. And this is basically the by default size. You can just, let's say I want to change it to 9.5, and height I want to keep it same, like, which is 11, and inches. And now as you can see that it has changed. If I click on OK, so as you can see, like, this page has been adjusted while the rest of the pages are same as they were before. So this is a simple and easy process. You can just go to this section, set page boxes, select the margins that you want to change, whatever suits best for you, and after that you will be able to do it. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.